This is a step-by-step process on entering cQHEI data into our new DataHub. First, visit our website at mwbinst.com. At the top of the website, select the Training and Courses dropdown, and then select Citizen Science. There are two ways to access the survey form. You can find a button in the center of the top of the page, or you can scroll down to the DataHub section and click cQHEI Survey Form. This will take you to a new page where you can then log in. You will need to log in with your current username and password that has been established with someone at our organization. You will then arrive to a page where you can either fill out a new form or review previously entered forms. Once you click on Submit a new survey form, you can begin your data input. Carefully go through and enter your data from your cQHEI field form evaluation. Once you're complete, you can click Submit Survey. If you would like to review your survey submission, you can select Survey List at the top of the page. This will show you all of the data sheets you've entered and will allow you to view or make any edits if needed. In order to view data from fellow collectors, you can head back to MBI's Citizen Science page. You'll see the Power BI tool button right next to the survey form. Once you click on this tool, you'll be brought to the Power BI homepage that explains a little more about the tool itself. There are several sections you are able to explore. The cQHEI summary table shows the data laid out in list form with each score from each section of certain field forms recorded by watershed and stream name. The cQHEI map displays each watershed with its associated river. cQHEI latitude and longitude will explain how to obtain coordinates and why that information is needed. The cQHEI plotline will display the cQHEI score by the river mile. The cQHEI versus sensitive fish species button is a good way to see the correlation between the two in graph form. Lastly, the cQHEI ARC story maps are an additional tool you can use to score step by step. This helps reduce scoring variability as well as provides stronger scientific context and explanations for the surveyor's scoring choice. These are great examples of different habitat characteristics that a data collector will run into. We hope you found this video helpful.